Himachal News Bulletin. And in this bulletin, you will get today's all the big updates of Himachal Pradesh in one go. So starting today's bulletin and moving to the first news, in Himachal also, the effect of close of farmers organizations, many places protest, buses did not run on external routes. The effect of the Bandh of United Farmers Front and United Farmers Union against the new agriculture laws is also being seen in Himachal Pradesh. In the capital Shimla, including Tiyab, Jubbal, Kotaki, Rohru, Narkanda, Rampur, Nalagarh, Ponta, farmers and gardeners demonstrated for their demands. At the same time, near the Victory Tunnel in Shimla, the United Farmers Front blocked the way. The Farmer Struggle Committee in Nalagarh staged a demonstration and blockade at Nalagarh Chowk in support of the Bharat Bandh. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, 7 towers of Doordarshan will be closed in Himachal. Broadcast Bharati has decided 7 towers of Doordarshan are being shut down in Himachal Pradesh. Broadcast Bharati has now decided to stop terrestrial broadcasting. Now Doordarshan will not be broadcasting on the antenna. The decision has been taken due to the advent of DTH and cable technology. The terrestrial transmission of Kullu Tower will stop from October 31st, 2021. All towers will be closed by 31st March 2022. Vikas Bhatt, Center Director, Doordarshan Shimla, has confirmed this. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, preparations to deliver medicine and ration by drone in inaccessible areas. Despite the odd geographical situation, the Jairam government, which is engaged in providing public facilities to people, is now preparing to provide basic facilities like medicines and ration by using drones in difficult areas. Recently, after talking about Prime Minister Narendra Modi drone policy more flexible and asking governments and people to increase its use, the Chief Secretary of the state, Ram Subhag Singh, has held a meeting in this regard. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, school open for students of class 9th to 12th. In Himachal, it is necessary to follow these corona rules. Schools have reopened for students in Himachal Pradesh from Monday. According to the decision taken in the cabinet meeting last day, the students of class 10th and 12th will come to school on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday on the first day of the week. On Thursday, Friday and Saturday, school will be open for classes 9th and 11th. Students and all the staff of the school will have to come to the school under the SOP issued regarding corona. The premises will be sanitized before entering the schools. Moving ahead to the next news, in today's bulletin, crisis on farmers deepened due to non-establishment of maize-based industries. The Himachal government has left the maize-producing farmers of the state on their own terms. Even though the central government has fixed the minimum support price of maize at Rs 1,850 per quintal, farmers are not getting the benefit of the minimum support price due to non-opening of maize procurement centers in the state. The crisis for the farmers had deepened due to non-establishment of maize-based industries. Moving ahead in today's bulletin, selling the plot after taking approval to sell the flat. DC ordered an inquiry. In Himachal Pradesh Solan district, Buddy's Amravati apartment, a case has come to the fore of selling the plot by taking the permission to sell the flat. While the Deputy Commissioner Solan has ordered an inquiry into the matter, the government has started the process of declaring the land as government land, taking strict cognizance. Not only this, some of the flats that apartments have sold by making and selling neither have the permission nor the completion certificate of TCP. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, 100 tenders including connecting bridge of Secretariat building, Chintapurni helipad, AIMS drinking water scheme cancelled. Various departments of Himachal Pradesh government have cancelled tenders for several major projects. These include 100 tenders including the connecting bridges of the Secretariat building in Shimla, AIMS drinking water scheme and Chintapurni helipad. 61.70 crore sewage project for Dharamsala town and the tender for the sewage project of Chamba town have also been cancelled. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, private companies will give employment to 350 youth of Himachal. In Industrial Training Institute ITI Shahpur, Hero Motocorp company will provide employment to young men and women holding ITI diploma. Principal of Industrial Training Institute Shahpur, Dr. Tarun Kumar, told that campus interviews will be held on September 27. In this, the company will give job opportunities to 18 to 26-year-old youths. Through interview on September 27, 200 boys and girls will be selected for Haridwar plant, Uttarakhand. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, which tells us about the corona situation in the state. 3 infected women died in Himachal, 112 positive patients in 24 hours. 3 more corona positive patients had died in Himachal Pradesh on Sunday. In Monday, 82, 85 and 57-year-old infected women died. At the same time, 112 new positive cases have been registered in the state in last 24 hours. The death toll of corona in the state has reached 3,653. So far, there have been 2,18,314 cases of corona. Out of these, 2,12,899 have been cured. Corona active cases in the state remain 1,746. Out of these, there are 147 active cases in Bilaspur district, 21 in Chamba, 404 in Hamirpur, 505 in Kangra, 25 in Kinnaur, 40 in Kullu, 6 in Lahore Spiti, 341 in Manali, 154 in Shimla, 5 in Sirmaur, 19 in Solan, and Una 79. During the last 24 hours, 163 patients have been recovered from COVID-19 in the state, and samples of 4,454 people have been taken for corona examination. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, rain likely to continue in Himachal till September 30th. 3 cars damaged by landslide. There is a possibility of bad weather in Himachal Pradesh till September 30th. According to the Meteorological Center Shimla, there is a possibility of rain in different parts of the state during this period. According to the center, there is a forecast of rain in the plains and medium altitude parts and snowfall in the high altitude areas. At the same time, the minimum temperature in the state has been recorded 1 to 2 degrees Celsius above normal, while the maximum temperature is normal. It is noteworthy that still 5 roads are closed in Mandi district and 2 in Kullu. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, 18,000 candidates gave HS exam in Himachal. The Himachal Pradesh Administrative Services exam was conducted on Sunday at 133 centers in the state. The State Public Service Commission had arranged jammers in the examination centers to prevent the cheating during the examination. The SOP issued regarding the prevention of corona was fully followed. This exam was conducted to fill 18 posts. On Sunday, 18,000 candidates appeared in the examination in various centers, while 30,625 candidates had applied for the examination. Moving ahead in today's bulletin, Virendra Kanwar said indigenous products will be sold on Amazon and Flipkart. Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister Virendra Kanwar said that soon in Himachal more than 100 shops of Him Era brand would be opened on the main roads at different places in the state. Minister Virendra Kanwar concluded the regional fair of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Department for the exhibition and sale of products manufactured by self-help groups under Rural Livelihood Mission on Saturday late evening. Moving on to the last news in today's bulletin, Chief Minister Jairam Thakur said, just this, Chikda should come down so that we can celebrate the Shera. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur said that he has also made coat bags with his own hands. He said that there was a time when pits were visible in the courtyard of everyone's house. I am also from the same family. Kullu and Mandi people prefers woolen coats a lot. Sometimes they wear coats in the month of June. He said that there is need to be careful with corona. Just this mask should be taken off so that we can celebrate the Shera. So that's it for today's bulletin, guys. We will meet you again tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.